Today I will discuss the types of formula and determination of empirical formula and molecular formula. Formula of a molecule, formula of a substance may be of following two types. One of them is called molecular formula. Second one is empirical formula. Empirical formula. And the third one is structural formula. Structural formula. Structural formula, molecular formula, empirical formula, and structural formula. Molecular formula indicates exact ratio of the constituent element present in a molecule. For example, ethyl alcohol, ethanol has the molecular formula C2H6O. This formula indicates the ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is 2:6:1. That is, carbon atoms present in 2, hydrogen atom in 6 and oxygen atom in 1. It is the exact ratio of the exact number of atoms of constituent element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in ethanol. The empirical formula of this molecule is also the same 2:6:1. However, ethane C2H6, in this case exact number of carbon and hydrogen is 2 and 6 respectively. So it is the molecular formula of ethane. But empirical formula of in this case will be the simplest ratio, that is C1H3. It is the empirical formula of ethane. It means empirical formula indicates the simplest ratio of the constituent element present in a molecule is known as the empirical formula. So CH3 is the empirical formula of ethane, while C2H6 is the molecular formula of ethane, in which molecular formula indicates exact ratio of the constituent element present in the molecule, while empirical formula indicates simplest ratio of the constituent element present in a given molecule. On the other hand, structural formula indicates the bonding connectivity of the atoms present in a given molecule. For example, in ethane, one of the carbon is directly attached with other carbon with single bond, and each carbon atom has attached with 3 hydrogen atoms with single bond directly. So the bonding connectivity of all 6 hydrogen atoms and carbon atoms may be shown as. So it is the structural formula of ethane. Thus it is clear molecular formula indicates the exact ratio, exact number of atoms present in a given molecule. Empirical formula indicates the simplest ratio of the atoms present in a given molecule. On the other hand, structural formula indicates the bonding connectivity of the atoms present in a given molecule, which gives the structure of a molecule, which gives a particular structure of a molecule. So it is also known as the structural formula. Structural formula cannot be clearly understood without explanation of bond formation by the atom. So it will be discussed after the discussion of chemical bonding. But molecular formula or empirical formula may be explained here. Suppose a compound consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, in which percentage of carbon is equal to 34.8%, percentage of hydrogen is equal to 13.0, and percentage of oxygen is equal to 52.2. These are the chemical analysis of the element present in the molecule, which consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon present in 34.8%, hydrogen present in 13.0%, oxygen present in 52.2%. In order to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula, at first the percentage composition of the compound is determined by qualitative analysis, which is known by the experiment. The percentage of each element is divided by its atomic mass to obtain the number of mole. The atomic ratio of each element is divided by the minimum value of atomic ratio to get simplest ratio of the atoms present in the given compound. Further, if the simplest ratio is fractional, then value of simplest ratio of each element is multiplied by a simplest integer to get simplest whole number for each of the element present in the given compound. Finally, to get the empirical formula, symbol of various elements present in the given compound are written side by side with their respective whole number ratio as a subscript to the lower right hand corner of the symbol. Finally, the molecular formula may be calculated by using the concept as molar mass of the substance is the integral multiple of the empirical molar mass. For example, molar mass of ethane is 12 into 2 plus 4 into 1, that is 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. It is the molar mass of ethane, while empirical mass of ethane will be 12 into 1 plus 3 into 1, that is 12 plus 3, that is 15. So 15 is the empirical molar mass and 30 is the molar mass. Now 30 is equal to 2 into 15, that is empirical, that is molar mass will be equal to n into empirical mass. By using this form relationship, we can calculate the molecular formula also. Now we are going to calculate the empirical formula of the compound which has carbon in percentage 34.8%, hydrogen in 13%, and oxygen in 15.2%. At first, we divide the percentage of each element by their respective molar mass. So, carbon will be equal to 50, carbon is equal to 34.8 divided by 12, which will be equal to 4.35. Hydrogen will be equal to 13.0 divided by 1, which is equal to 13. Oxygen is equal to 52.2 divided by molar mass of oxygen is 16. So it is divided by 16. It will become equal to 2.175. Now in this case, the 2.175 is the lowest value. So all these values are divided by 2.175 to get the simplest ratio. The simplest ratio now is obtained as 4.35 divided by 2.175, which will be equal to 2. 13 divided by 2.175, which is equal to 6. 2.175 is divided by 2.175, which is equal to 1. So it is the simplest ratio of oxygen, it is the simplest ratio of hydrogen, and it is the simplest ratio of carbon. So the empirical formula of the compound which has the percentage analysis as carbon is equal to 4.8%, hydrogen 13%, and oxygen 52.2% may be formulated as C2H6O1. The one cannot be, one is conventionally not written. So the empirical formula of the compound will be C2H6O. Thank you. In next video we will discuss the stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. Thank you.